And that's it for now. I hope you found value out of this video. Feel free to drop your questions, comments and feedback in the comment section down below, and thanks again for watching the video. If you can, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to always know when I launch a new video. See you next time, and remember, it's all about creating content.